ladies and gentlemen, and also honorable judges. Greetings. I am Ahmad Hadi Maulana, a student majoring in nutrition from Universitas Borneo Lestari. As my university representative for the PILMAPRES 2024, on this occasion, I want to share with all of you about subject SDGs number 8, decent work and economic growth. Poverty and unemployment are serious problems that are often faced by most countries, especially in developing countries such as Indonesia. Based on data from Badan Pusat Statistik 2023, the percentage of poverty in Indonesia is still relatively high, which is at 9.36%. Therefore, the government needs to increase their focus on this problem, because one of the determining factors that a country is labeled a developed country is the welfare of the people of the country itself. In the framework of developing the quality of human resources, stunting is one of the triple burdens of malnutrition, abbreviated as TBM. TBM has a very detrimental impact in the terms of economic productivity in the short and long terms. Stunting affects the development of brain cells, which will eventually cause the lack of intelligence level. In other words, in the long run, it will be lower and eventually reduce productivity and obstruct Indonesia's economic. Based on data from Survei Status Gizi Indonesia 2022, the stunting rate in Indonesia is 21.6%. This means that 1 in 5 children in Indonesia is stunted. The data shows stunting is an emergency problem to be overcome. In general, stunting is a chronic nutritional problem caused by lack of nutritional intake over a long time, which has a serious impact on the quality of human resources. However, stunting is not only caused by lack of nutritional intake, but also caused by socio-economic factors such as educational level, poor population, and economic growth. Poverty is considered to have an important reciprocal role as a source of nutritional problem, where poverty causes malnutrition in children, that it causes nutritional problems such as stunting and stunted growth and development of children. Children who fail to thrive will affect the quality of human resources and reduce work productivity due to a lack of physical and low education levels due to decreased cognitive function. After all, it compresses economic growth and encourages the process of poverty. Losses due to stunting are a problem of malnutrition that is not only in the scope of health, but also side by side with educational and economic dimension. That can be an obstacle in achieving the success of macroeconomic development. There is correlation between macroeconomic development to nutritional status and the degree of public health. A study in Brazil found that increasing the socio-economic and per capita income of the population can reduce the prevalence of stunting. The success of development will lead to the expansion of employment opportunities and increased per capita income, which has an impact on increasing household economic income. Increase of household economy eventually making people's purchasing power for food directly or indirectly related to improving the degree of public health. Seeing the problem of stunting is quite worrying for the future of Indonesia. The government needs to pay attention to reducing stunting rate in Indonesia. The government is expected to embrace and involve all components in an integrated manner for implementing the acceleration of stunting reduction in Indonesia. Because with decreasing the stunting rate, will also have an impact on economic development in Indonesia, which will reciprocally improve nutrition and public health. As a nutrition student, I am confident in a hope to improve nutrition, especially for the young generation of this nation, which will lead the future of this country to achieve the goal of Indonesia Emas 2045. Improving nutritional status will have a very significant impact on human resources and also creates prosperity and economic development that is distributed in all corners of Indonesia. And that's what I want to share with you all. Hope it's useful. Thank you. Oke, cepat ya.
Bos.
Di mana?
Di bawah tombol atas samping warna biru di atas.
Gak tahu.
Ya itu tadi yang kepicik jempol.
Nih.
Lain.
Nih. Nih.
Atasnya lagi dikit.
Nih.
Atas lagi. Ada ya picikan biru.